Good evening, Pooja. Please, your interview is going to be on which date?
Sir, 1st of March, sir.
Arey Baba. In which place?
Hyderabad, sir.
Excellent. Please tell me about yourself.
Okay, sir. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Mudawat Pooja. I am from Jadcherla, Mahabubnagar district, Telangana. I have completed my graduation in BSc Hons Agriculture from Professor Jayashankar, Telangana State Agricultural University, Agricultural College, Palem, Nagar Karnool district. Coming to my family, we are a family of 6 members along with me. My father is a farmer, my mother is a homemaker, and I have 3 siblings. And my strengths are I have some leadership skills, sir, in which during my agriculture experiential learning program, I have led my team effectively and was able to achieve greater success. And I have a good adaptability nature, quick learning ability, and my hobbies are cooking and to serve the farmers and aspire to become a successful individual in life is my ultimate goal, sir. This is about me, sir.
Good. Your father is a farmer.
Yes, sir.
What are the crops grown by him?
In our area, we grow paddy only, sir.
Acha, is it two-time cultivation or single time cultivation
In
in a
both
year?
seasons, we grow paddy, sir.
Acha, two times.
Yes, sir.
What about the produce? Will it differ from one season to another or same in all seasons? Yeah.
Sir, in both seasons, we didn't cultivate same area, sir. That's
Mm.
why the produce productivity will differ, sir.
Why?
In Kharif season, we grow in large areas, sir. In Rabi season, we grow in small areas, sir.
Oh, good.
Okay.
Can you tell me what is and what do you mean by hypothecation?
Sir, in hypothecation, we have to the assets. 1 minute, sir. Sir, hypothecation means assets have been uh,
So 1 minute,
given.
hold on. 1 minute, hold on.
Okay, sir.
Hello, hello. Yeah, Vinita, I have allotted class for you. That is a mock interview. You were not to be seen. Why? Oh, 2 marks are over. Very good. Th- Thank you, thank you, thank you. You should have told me because I have posted in the group na, that today your number is appearing. You should have told me. In you are belonging to IBPS or Federal Bank. Sari paravailla. No issues. Thank you. Yeah, good. Now I am talking to Pooja. Pooja, you
Yes,
were
sir.
telling me about hypothecation. Tell me.
Yes, sir. Hypothecation means asset has been given as a collateral security to the lender, sir, in which uh, the means the property covers are like it will remain with the lender, but the property is enjoyed by the borrower, sir.
Can you tell me what is mortgage?
Mortgage means the loan taken for the property, sir, for
No,
home
loan
construction.
taken against house property or
Um,
land.
okay, sir.
What is an asset?
Asset means is in which we
Yeah, tell me.
which asset which can produce the money, sir.
Asset is, you can explain with example. Asset is like our house property,
Yes,
Hare Ram Ram, house property or land,
yes, sir.
and also movables, which
Yes, sir.
can be of use for us and from which we can enjoy and which may also create. more income for us.
income for us.
Okay.
Okay,
What
sir.
are the imported products of India?
Important products, sir.
Imported, which are
Imported.
all imported into our country.
We are majorly importing vegetable oils, sir. Crude
But
oils.
not crude oil. Crude oil
Veg.
means petroleum. You
Okay,
can
sir.
tell
Veg.
that. That is also we are importing.
Importing.
We are importing crude oil, petroleum crude oil.
Yes, sir.
We are also importing
Vegetable oils.
edible oil also.
Edible oils. Pulses, sir.
Yeah, good. Which is, tell us about your college.
Sir, about our college. Our college is located at Palem, Nagar Karnal district, sir. It is drought area, sir. It, there majorly grows the drought resistance crops, sir, like millets, castor, cotton, etc., sir. And we have
College is in drought area means every day use water. How do they manage?
not
They have
complete drought area, sir, but it comes under drought area.
they have borewell pumps and all.
Not that much, sir.
Not that much. Some rivers are there.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Small canals are there, not rivers, sir.
Very good. Small canals. Good. When did you complete your degree?
In 2023, sir.
Very good. Last year, what you have been doing? Only
In fun
preparing for,
games. Yes,
no,
sir. From
this
since
is,
6 months, I am preparing for AFO, sir.
what are the exams you have written?
Only AFO, sir, and I have appeared for NABARD prelims, sir.
Oh, result has not come.
Came, sir, but not qualified, sir.
Oh, Baba. When is the mains exam?
I don't know, sir.
Oh, because you have failed, you are not bothered about it.
No, sir. My major goal is AFO, but I have appeared. It's for prelims practice only, sir.
In what way was it different? Which subject you found it very difficult there?
Current affairs I didn't read, sir, at that time. It was very earlier when I started my preparation, sir. That's why I'm not
No, but
cleared.
the prelims also they asked current affairs.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
General
because
agriculture, something
because
current.
next paper will be only subject related, correct?
Yes, sir.
Mains.
Mains is descriptive, sir. We have to
Oh,
type everything.
oh. So no problem. There is no gap for you.
Yes, sir.
Everything is good. What is your height and weight?
Sir, my height 156 centimeters, sir. Weight 60 kgs, sir.
ఓహో! అంటే కొంచెం మోటగా ఉంటున్నారు. కరెక్టా?
Yes,
ఫ్యాట్‌గా
sir.
ఉంటున్నారా? ఆ!
Yes, sir.
అంటే స్మైల్ చేయండి. అండ్ ఆర్ యూ గోయింగ్ టు వేర్ చుడిదార్ ఆర్ సాడీ?
Chudidar, sir.
బెటర్. చుడిదార్
Yes.
మీన్స్ యూ మే లుక్ స్లైట్‌లీ యంగర్. మీరు సాడీ పైనితే ఏమవుతుందంటే యూ మే లుక్ ఓల్డ్.
Okay, sir. But chudidar is comfortable for me, sir. That's
వెరీ
why I
గుడ్.
prefer that.
Good. So how will you manage in our bank work? You have to go out for field work, take measurements, talk to people, old people, young people, drinking people, non-drinking people. అందరి దగ్గర మాట్లాడాలి. మీరు ఎలాగ చేస్తుంటారు?
Sir, may I answer in English or Telugu, sir?
No, you answer in English.
Okay, sir. Sir, basically, I am from rural background, and during my graduation also I had during a what we rural agriculture work experience program. I have stayed in village for 1 semester, sir.
Mhm.
So I can deal with rural people easily, sir.
Good. You're telling nicely. Good. You don't appear like 22, 23 and all. Your voice appears very young, like 16, 17-year-old girl. Now, please tell me what is ICAR?
ICAR, sir, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, sir.
What is IARI?
IARI, Indian Agriculture Research Institute, sir, which comes under ICAR, sir. ICAR.
Acha.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you know about lychee production?
I have no idea that much
Very
idea,
good,
sir.
because you are not from that area. Like,
Yes, sir.
it depends on the area in which we are living.
Yes,
This doesn't
sir.
matter. Good. Next question. What are the functions of NABARD?
Sir, NABARD means National National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, sir. It was established in the year 1982. The major functions of NABARD are providing credits to the for development of agriculture as well as rural development and for small micro medium enterprises, sir.
Good. Who is the chairman?
NABARD chairman Shaji,
Shah-
KV Shaji, sir.
Correct. Which bank you are having account?
State Bank of India, SBI, sir.
What is the name of the mobile app of them?
YONO, sir.
What is the expansion of YONO?
You only need one, sir.
What are the different types of credit and debit cards are issued? Three companies are there. What are they?
I have no idea, sir.
Visa card, MasterCard, RuPay card.
Okay, sir. I forgot it. Sir.
What is the advantage of RuPay card? RuPay card advantage is that it is being introduced by NPCI, National Payment
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Corporation of India, whereas the other two are foreign companies. The
Okay,
commission
sir.
to be paid to them has to be paid in terms of foreign exchange. Whereas
Sir.
here, there is no need for foreign exchange.
It's domestic card, sir. RuPay
Yeah.
card is.
Excellent. What
Yes,
are
sir.
white labeled ATM?
Sir, white labeled ATM means I'm
Hmm.
unable to recollect it, sir. I forgot it.
చదువుకోలేదా?
చదివిన చాలా డేస్ అయింది సార్ అవి ఏటీఎంస్ అవి చూసుకోలేదు.
White label ATM is relatively new category of ATMs in India that are not branded by banks. In simple terms,
నాన్ బ్యాంకింగ్
white label ATMs refers to machines established, owned, and operated by non-bank
నాన్
entities
బ్యాంకింగ్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్స్. ఓకే సార్.
under Companies Act 1956.
ఓకే సార్.
What is a foreign bank?
Foreign bank means bank which is located in other than our country, sir.
Registered in a foreign country.
Okay, sir.
Head
Registered
office
in
is registered in a foreign country.
foreign countries. Okay, sir.
What is priority sector lending? I am not asking any new question.
Yes, sir.
Pooja, I am asking only from here. నేను మీకు ఏమి ఇచ్చామో దాన్నిచ్చి అడుగుతున్నాము.
ఓకే సార్.
ఇది ఎందుకు ప్రిపేర్ చేయలేదు?
ప్రిపేర్ అయినా కానీ అన్ని గుర్తు రావట్లేదు సార్.
Good. You told nicely. Please tell me priority sector lending. Good girl. You are answering confidently.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Priority
Sir,
sector.
Priority sector lending means the sectors which the bank will give loan which have crunch of money, sir.
Mm. No, you can tell with example. Na? Priority sector means sectors like agriculture, education, then allied sectors, and also foreign exchange,
Yes,
then
sir.
housing,
Their
etc.
development is more
Because
significant.
because those sectors were not given earlier finance by the banks. Now
Yes, sir.
government wanted to encourage them. That is why it said out of the total advances, 40% must be given to these sectors.
Priority sector lending, sir.
అలాగా చెప్పాలి.
Okay, sir.
ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోమా.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
ఇదేమమ్మా సోర్గం షూట్ ఫ్లై మేనేజ్మెంట్ అంటే ఏమది?
Sorghum shoot fly అదొక పెస్ట్, sir.
వద్దు. నెక్స్ట్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ లెపిడోటోపటో వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్?
That all are related to entomology.
Not related to you, not required.
Sir.
Difference between windbreak and shelter belt.
Yes, sir.
ఇది తెలీదా?
Tells, sir. Windbreaks are used to control the speed of wind to protect the product crops, sir. Shelter belts are for providing shelter to the crops, sir, by growing larger trees.
Good.
They are good shelter.
Very good, very good, very good. But చీ చెప్పకూడదు.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sorry, sir.
No problem. నిప్పింగ్ అంటే ఏమమ్మా?
Tips. టొబాకోలో చేస్తారు సార్ నిప్పింగ్ అంటే.
ఓహో. సాయిల్ హెల్త్ కార్డ్ మీన్స్?
సాయిల్ హెల్త్ కార్డ్ ఇట్స్ స్కీమ్ టు న్యూట్రియంట్ డెఫిషియన్సీని తెలుసుకొని సాయిల్ కి మనం ఏమేమి అప్లై చేయాలి రెమెడీ.
Yeah, you can talk in Telugu. Nothing wrong. You can talk in Telugu. It is not a must that you have to speak only in English. అలాగా ఎందుకంటే they will also talk in Telugu. You please check up from the previous candidate దగ్గర మీరు you can't talk because they will go out immediately. That is a present matter. You try talking in Telugu. If they encourage, you talk. Nothing wrong.
Okay, sir.
Self-help group number of members.
10 to 20 members, sir.
What is organic farming?
Organic farming means doing farming by using natural products, sir, whichever available to our from like dried tree leaves, cow dung.
Then
urine by
farmers protest.
Farmer protest present is running topic now, sir.
Yeah, చెప్పమ్మా.
Farmers are protesting for guaranteed MSP, sir. Guaranteed support minimum support price.
మీ నాన్న ఎందుకు అడగలేదు?
సార్ మన ఏరియా అంటే మన సైడ్ కంటే పంజాబ్ హర్యానా సైడ్ పీపుల్స్ ఎక్కువగా ఎంఎస్పి పైన డిపెండ్ అయ్యి క్రాప్ ని సెల్ చేస్తారు సార్. ఇక్కడ సైడ్ ఏరియాస్ లో అయితే ఎక్కువ ఫార్మర్స్ అంటే ఏ మార్కెట్ లో ఎక్కువ వాళ్ళకి రేట్ వస్తే ఆ మార్కెట్ కి వెళ్ళి సెల్ చేస్తారు సార్. పంజాబ్ హర్యానా యూపీ సైడ్ ఫార్మర్స్ మెయిన్లీ డిపెండ్ ఆన్ ఎంఎస్పి సార్.
Super. I am extremely happy. Have you taken my second interview date or not?
Yes, sir, on 29th, sir.
Very good. I'm very happy, Pooja.
Thank you, sir.
You talk so very nicely, confidently. కానీ ఇంకా ఇదన్నీ చదువు అమ్మా.
ఓకే సార్.
పూరా చదువు రెడీ పెట్టుకోవండి. తర్వాత బ్యాంకింగ్ లో ఏమొస్తుందో అది చదువుకోండి. అదన్నీ ఇక్కడే ఇచ్చారు. డిమాట్ అకౌంట్ అంటే ఏమి, అండ్ రీపో రేట్ అంటే ఏమి, రివర్స్ రీపో రేట్, ఇదన్నీ చదవాలి. ఓకే.
ఓకే సార్.
బెస్ట్ విషెస్. గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ.